Hello, this is John again from AceVacuums. Today I'm going to talk about vacuum warranty services. Is your vacuum acting up? At AceVacuums, we are authorized warranty centers for the biggest brands in the world. Today we're answering 15 questions to help you get your machine fixed for $0. Q1. What does Authorized Warranty Center actually mean? Answer. It means the manufacturer, like Miele or Dyson, trusts us to represent them. We use genuine parts, and the manufacturer pays us so you don't have to. Q2. Which brands do you cover under warranty? Answer. We handle the big guns. Miele, SEBO, Dyson, Riccar, Kirby, Oreck, Simplicity, and many more. If you bought a premium brand, we likely cover it. Q3. Does it matter if I bought my vacuum from Amazon or a big box store? Answer. Usually no. As long as it was an authorized seller and you have your receipt, we can perform the warranty work even if you didn't buy it from us. Q4. What is the very first thing I need to bring with me? Answer. Your proof of purchase, receipt, and the serial number. Without that date of purchase, the manufacturer won't approve the claim. Q5. What is actually covered under a standard warranty? Answer. Think internal and electrical. Motors, circuit boards, internal wiring, and structural housing defects are almost always covered. Q6. What is wear and tear, and why isn't it covered? Answer. Wear and tear items are parts designed to wear down over time, like tires on a car. This includes belts, filters, bags, and brush roll bristles. 7. I accidentally vacuumed up a penny and broke the fan. Is that a warranty fix? Answer. Unfortunately, no. That is considered accidental damage or misuse. Warranty only covers manufacturer defects, not outside objects entering the system. Quote, can a clogged filter void my warranty? Answer. It can. If a motor burns out because the filters were never changed, the manufacturer might deny the claim for neglect. Keep those filters clean. Q9. How long does a warranty repair usually take? Answer. If we have the parts in stock, it's fast. If we have to order a specific motor, it can take 3 to 7 business days depending on the manufacturer's shipping speed. Q10. Do I have to pay for shipping if you order parts? Answer. For most major brands we service, the manufacturer covers the parts and the shipping to our store. You stay hands-off. Q11. What's the deal with Dyson cordless batteries? Answer. Dyson batteries usually have a 2-year warranty. If yours dies at month 18, bring it in. We'll test it and get you a replacement if it's a defect. Q12. Is the Kirby or Riccar lifetime warranty real? Answer. Many high-end brands like Kirby or Riccar have specific life or long-term warranties on the frame or motor. We help you navigate that fine print. Q13. If I open the vacuum myself to try and fix it, is the warranty still good? Answer. Stop. If you break the factory seal or strip the screws, the manufacturer can void your warranty for unauthorized tampering. Let us do it professionally. Q14. Why should I come to AceVacuums instead of mailing it back to the manufacturer? Answer. Shipping a heavy vacuum is expensive and they often get damaged in transit. We are local. You drop it off, we fix it, you pick it up, no boxes required. Q15. How do I get started? Answer. Bring your machine to our Fairfax or Leesburg location. We'll check the serial number on the spot and tell you exactly what your warranty covers.